The techniques of the Shabad Guru, codified in the Siddhi Guru Granth Sahib and in the mantras of Kundalini Yoga, wait for us to mine their secrets. Every person can use them to elevate themselves, to heal, to develop stamina, to increase intuition. They do not need to know the science of the process. They only need to apply the technology of the Shabad Guru. Because the reflex points are stimulated by the movements of the tongue, you get the maximum benefit from the pattern of a Shabad by consciously repeating the sounds out loud. That is called japa, conscious, conscientious recitation. Rotating the tongue over the 84 reflex points in the pattern of the Shabad produces the maximum impact on the gross level of the neuroendocrine system. As the Shabad gets established in the nervous system and your subconscious, every cell of your body will vibrate the pattern with you.